Hi friends, and welcome to day 4 of Mama Elephant's February release. Today we're introducing Painting Piggies and its matching die set. This set contains 3 pig images, as well as a lot of images to build a scene around them. Of course, there's also a matching die set available. What's really cool is that the dies help you to create your scene. They cut out tiny slots around the hands of the pigs, the center of the picture frame, as well as the painting jaws and the water pail. Now this is what the images look like when they're all stamped out and colored in, and I will be showing you how to color in one of the pigs. And of course we have another rookie mistake today. I'm very sorry, but I've colored the pig a little bit off-center. I hope you won't mind that much. If it does bother you, please skip ahead to the assembly and I will have it fixed when I get there. And there we have our cute little pig all colored in. Let's get to the card assembly. I start with a standard size white card base. Next, I took the panel die from the Mod Heart set and cut a background from Kraft Cardstock. I adhere the panel to the card base using some tape runner. Next, I used the wonky die from the Mod Heart set to create the top panel. This panel I popped up using some foam tape. Next, you'll see me in doubt which of these sentiments to use, but you'll see I'll settle on the black one. I adhere the sentiment using some liquid glue. Now it's time to put together our scene with our super cute colored in images. Of course, I just had to add the tiny heart because I think it really finishes the scene. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I will see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions. This release will be available on the 15th of February. Bye!